Hey, if you know how to do milk steaming, if you know how to take espresso shot with thick crema, but still struggling to pour latte art, I'm sure you are doing the same mistakes I did. Let's find out. So, if there is no crema on the espresso, your latte art will look something like this. The milk pitcher is too close while mixing. You're skipping the mixing step and go straight to pouring the design. The milk pitcher is too far away while pouring the design. The milk is poured too forcefully during mixing. The cup is not tilted while pouring the design. The milk is poured too heavily while making the design. The milk is poured too lightly while making the design. You are ending the pour too early. Flip the cup too early while making the design. Pour the milk too far back while making the design. Pour the milk too far forward while making the design. The milk pitcher was not tilted before ending the pour. Pitcher is tilted to one side while making the design. In the end, too much milk is poured or the pitcher is too high. Too much air was added during steaming, making the foam too thick. Too little air was added during steaming, making the foam too thin. I believe if you are a latte art lover, this is something valuable for you and you can improve your skills by working on those opportunities. Thank you. I hope you will like this video. Have a good day.